Top 11 Macadamia Nuts Health Benefits. Do you know what it takes to crack open the world's toughest nut? Imagine needing an incredible 300 pounds of pressure per square inch to crack it open. That's right, we're talking about the formidable macadamia nut, renowned for its nearly indestructible shell. However, macadamia nuts aren't just difficult to crack. They provide a wealth of health advantages. Before we explore the interesting universe of macadamia nuts, let's reveal the 11 health benefits of this nutritious nut. Also, we'll give you several ways how to incorporate macadamia nuts into your recipe, so make sure to stay tuned. Just a heads up, this video is for informational purposes only. If you feel unwell, please go to your doctor. Number 1. Heart health. Research has indicated that including macadamia nuts in a heart-healthy diet might be beneficial. These nuts could assist in reducing cholesterol levels, consequently lowering the chances of cardiovascular disease. Also, macadamia nuts are abundant in monounsaturated fatty acids, which can counteract oxidative stress and inflammation. Consequently, they may contribute to a decreased risk of coronary artery disease. A report from the American Heart Association suggests that individuals with diabetes can decrease their risk of heart disease by incorporating nuts into their diet. This is due to the potential of monounsaturated fats found in nuts, including macadamia nuts, to enhance lipid blood profiles. Lastly, macadamia nuts are thought to have a positive impact on heart health by potentially reducing blood pressure. Some sources suggest that the potassium in macadamia nuts may be responsible for this benefit. Number 2. Weight management. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds? Macadamia nuts, while delicious, are quite high in calories. However, don't dismiss them just yet. These nuts are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which can make you feel full for longer and reduce those nagging cravings. Beneficial if you're aiming to lose weight. A study from 2004 found that macadamia nuts might actually help you lose weight faster. In this study, female Japanese college students were told to add macadamia nuts, coconut, or butter to their daily meals for 3 weeks. The results were surprising. Those in the macadamia group shed about a pound, while the others saw no change in their weight. So, if weight loss is your goal, macadamia nuts could be your solution. Number 3. Digestive health. Many people want a healthy digestive system, but some digestive issues can cause discomfort. Conditions like Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and inflammatory bowel disease can make digestion even harder. They can lead to discomfort and stomach issues. One way to help is by adding macadamia nuts to your diet. They have special fiber that keeps your gut moving and acts like food for the good bacteria in your belly. This can make your tummy feel better and your digestive system healthier. But always check with your doctor before trying new supplements. Found these tips helpful? If you do, please like and subscribe. You'll be the first to hear about more content like this. Thanks for learning with us. Number 4. Bone health. Macadamia nuts provide important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are necessary for keeping your bones strong and dense. These minerals help maintain bone health and lower the chances of conditions like osteoporosis. Number 5. Rich in essential minerals. Macadamia nuts, like other nuts, contain protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, they are also rich in healthy plant-based fats. It's common to believe that all fats are unhealthy, but macadamia nuts are a great source of unsaturated fats. When you choose unsaturated fats over saturated ones, it's been shown to lower the risk of heart disease and other causes of premature death. The fats found in macadamia nuts are actually beneficial for your health. Furthermore, macadamia nuts provide small amounts of important micronutrients, such as manganese, a mineral that's crucial for energy and strong bones; thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, which supports a healthy nervous system; copper, necessary for the well-being of your brain and immune system; magnesium, a mineral that's part of your body's defense against diseases. Number 6. Antioxidant power. Macadamia nuts are packed with antioxidants, which are substances that protect your body from harm and diseases. These antioxidants counteract unstable molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals can harm your cells and raise the chances of health issues like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. The antioxidants and flavonoids found in macadamia nuts help combat inflammation and reduce cell damage. Moreover, macadamia nuts contain tocotrienols, a type of vitamin E that might guard against certain cancers and brain disorders. Researchers have also spotted phenolic compounds in macadamia nuts and their shells, assessing their antioxidant abilities in purified macadamia nut oil. In summary, macadamia nuts' antioxidant properties make them a healthy choice for a well-rounded diet. Number 7. Skin health. Occasionally, facial oils are hailed as amazing products for enhancing your skin's radiance. Macadamia nut oil isn't a magical solution, but it's a natural moisturizer with plenty of vitamin E. This light yellow oil also includes palmitoleic acid, which has been associated with better healing of wounds. In a study from 2019, it was discovered that a facial cream enriched with macadamia nut oil was more effective in diminishing signs of skin aging compared to a regular facial cream. Number 8. Brain health. Omega-9 fatty acid, specifically oleic acid, along with other nutrients found in macadamia nuts, can be good for the health of your brain. These nutrients assist in supporting brain performance and might slow down the advancement of conditions that affect the nervous system. Omega-9 fatty acids, like oleic acid, have been proven to boost mood, increase vitality, and enhance thinking abilities. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that the kind of fat we consume can change how well our brain works. Number 9. Blood sugar regulation. Macadamia nuts contain dietary fiber, which is helpful for controlling blood sugar levels. It does this by slowing down the sugar's entry into your blood. This is especially good for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk because it prevents big swings in blood sugar that can cause hunger and insulin resistance. The fiber in macadamia nuts also acts like food for the good bacteria in your gut, possibly improving your digestion. So, including macadamia nuts in your diet can assist you in getting enough fiber each day and keeping your blood sugar in check. Number 10. Immune system boost. Macadamia nuts are packed with important vitamins and minerals that are crucial for a strong immune system. Among these, selenium and zinc play vital roles. These nutrients help shield your body from illnesses and infections by boosting your immune system. Selenium is a necessary mineral that supports not only your immune system, but also your ability to have children and think clearly. On the other hand, zinc is a vital nutrient that gives your immune system an extra boost. If you don't get enough of either of these nutrients, your immune system may become weaker, and you'll be more susceptible to getting sick. That's why adding macadamia nuts to your diet is a smart move. They can help you meet your daily vitamin and mineral needs and keep your immune system in top shape. Number 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. Macadamia nuts are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help combat chronic inflammation. This kind of inflammation is associated with various serious health issues like heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants and flavonoids found in macadamia nuts work to fight inflammation and minimize damage to cells. Additionally, macadamia nuts contain tocotrienols, a type of vitamin E, which might offer protection against certain forms of cancer and brain-related ailments. Consuming 1.5 to 3 ounces or 42 to 84 grams of macadamia nuts daily could notably decrease inflammation markers such as leukotriene B4. Inflammation poses a risk to heart health, and it's believed that macadamia nuts' high monounsaturated fat content contributes to their heart-friendly benefits. Consistently, this type of fat has been associated with better heart health and a reduced likelihood of stroke and fatal heart attacks. Therefore, integrating macadamia nuts into your diet may aid in reducing chronic inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of severe health conditions. Thanks for making it this far. Now, let's explore the different fun facts about this very nutritious nut. Did you know that macadamia nuts, originally from the wild landscapes of Australia, were not well known until the mid-19th century when Europeans discovered their delicious taste? Actually, they got their name from John Macadam, a Scottish chemist who promoted their cultivation in Australia. Also, you need patience with macadamia trees. These slow-growing giants often take 7 to 10 years before producing their delicious nuts. Although macadamia nuts have their origins in Australia, they found a new home in Hawaii, where they've been commercially cultivated since the 1920s, making Hawaii a major player in the world of macadamia nuts. Now, dog lovers, beware of this nut. Macadamia nuts are harmful to dogs, causing symptoms like weakness, vomiting, tremors, and fever if eaten. Macadamia nuts are indeed very expensive. This is partly because of the challenging process from the trees to your table, making them some of the most desired nuts worldwide. In some places, macadamia nuts are used to make luxurious non-dairy milk, perfect for enhancing your morning coffee. The diversity of nature is evident in macadamia trees, with about 7 different species. However, only 2 are tasty for humans. The rest remain as wild as the Australian outback itself. Here are several ways to incorporate macadamia nuts into your recipes. Instead of croutons, consider using a handful of macadamia nuts in your salad. You can replace almond flour with macadamia nut flour in a 1-to-1 ratio. Enhance your granola by adding macadamia nuts. Try mixing chopped macadamia nuts into your oatmeal. Experiment with making pesto and hummus using macadamia nuts. Integrate macadamia nuts into baked goods such as bread and cookies. While macadamia nuts may come with a hefty price tag due to their challenging cultivation process, their unique qualities make them some of the most sought-after nuts globally. And if you're trying to add some flair to your morning coffee, consider trying macadamia nut milk for a luxurious non-dairy option. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of macadamia nuts and that you've gained a new appreciation for these remarkable nuts and their role in promoting a healthier lifestyle. Remember, when it comes to your health, the choices you make today can shape a better tomorrow. So, whether you're enjoying macadamia nuts as a snack or incorporating them into your meals, you're making a delicious and nutritious choice. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To find more info and links about today's video, make sure to look at the description below. Thanks for watching.